Hi, good evening. My name is Dinesh Ishkandavre. Today's date is 5 November 2022. Uh, Today we will be discuss about encapsulation in Java. The encapsulation is one of the four fundamental OOPS concept. Other three: inheritance, abstraction, polymorphism. The encapsulation in Java, the process by which the data means variable and code that act when which when them the method are integrated as the single integrated as a single unit by encapsulating a class variable. Other class cannot be access them, and only the method of the class can access them. The encapsulation in Java mechanism of wrapping in the date and code active on the data together as a single unit encapsulation. The variable of a class will be hidden from other classes and can be accessed only through the method of their current class. Therefore, it is known as data hiding. Mm, to achieve encapsulation in Java, declare the variable of class as private. Second, provide public setter and getter method to modify and view the variable value. Benefits the encapsulation. The field of class can be made read only and write only. A class can have total control over what is stored in its field. The the meaning of encapsulation is to make save that is to make sensitive data is hidden from user. To achieve this, you must declare class variable and attribute as private. Provide public get and set method to access and update the value of a private variable. The set method return the variable value, and the get method the set method set the value, and get method is get a variable. Thank you.